All right, thanks so much for joining us today at Kratos PI. We're going to be announcing the Data Guy of the Week. It's been a little while. I'm sorry I was on a little bit of a hiatus, but that doesn't mean there hasn't been incredible work being done in the data sphere. There's one individual in particular I really want to call out. He's really helping us build out better, faster, stronger reports. There's none other than the Data God of Speed is our Data God of the Week. And the Data God of Speed is Phil Seamark. If you're not familiar with Phil, Phil is a member of the Power BI team. He was an MVP. He runs DAX Tips. He's a big contributor on PowerBI.tips. Phil is our Data God of the Week. Phil has some real notable contributions on aggregations. If you're not familiar with aggregations, these are incredibly powerful additions that you can start to do inside of your tabular models today. I highly recommend going through his blogs. Phil has done 6 different pieces on aggregations. Really go out and read through them. 100% worth it. You'll find that you really appreciate all of his stuff. He does a really great job. As always, you can go to KratosBI.com, buy me a coffee, and I'll send off those I Love Power BI stickers. That's as a way of thanking you. But we started to roll out something new, the new merchandise that we've got. Let's go for a better look. Many of the Data Gods have stickers. These are for limited time only. Go out there, grab yourself some Data God merch, or buy me a coffee. Really, the Data God of the Week is Phil Seamark. This guy truly, truly rocks. Highly, highly recommend reading through all of his blog stuff. And check out Phil. Connect with him on LinkedIn. Follow him on Twitter. He is truly a real great guy. Phil, thanks for all your help over the years. Really appreciate it. All right. Thanks, everybody. See you guys later. Bye-bye.